What surprised me about Uber Eats is we just thought they were a third-party delivery system. You know, they pick up the food, they deliver it, and that's basically it. But it's a whole ecosystem. Them giving us our analytics, our numbers, what the customers are saying, what the customers are feeling, what they like, what they don't like. That information is extremely powerful for us in running a brand.
Uber Eats is my dream relationship when it comes to, you know, how I mine my data. Do I need to lean into my grilled and gluten-free option? Do I need to lean into my vegan?
That allows me to better understand what to make at what time, what to prep at what time. As an owner, you need to know operationally what is working and what's not working, and what's selling and what's not selling.
That feedback will tell us, you know, the consumer might not like this as much, or people love this. So it can tell us one story or the other, but it'll give us an answer.
I also love the Insights tab, so we get a lot of really unique information about where our customers are ordering from, which can also help us guide where we may want to add locations or where we want to put additional marketing dollars into.
It also gives me the reviews. I see the product reviews. That's powerful data that we can then use to fix and correct and improve our business.
It allows us to hear the customer, make immediate changes, and then adjust.
It saves time. It saves us so much time.
Yeah, I mean, I think as small business owners, time is money, and having that kind of data really helps us to develop these menus and develop the business.
Uber Eats gives us the confidence, you know, behind the decisions that we make, because, you know, data is important. Data is, you know, gold.